In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find shared files in Zoho WorkDrive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can quickly access all the files that have been shared with you, without having to dig through random folders or old emails. First, open your browser and log into your Zoho WorkDrive account. Just as you normally would, once you're signed in, you'll land on the main WorkDrive interface. From here, you want to make sure you're in the right section so you can get to your personal storage area. Look toward the left-hand side of the screen and find the option called My Folders. This is your own private space where your personal files and folders are stored. Go ahead and click on My Folders. If you don't see it immediately, check the left sidebar carefully. Sometimes it can be collapsed, and you may need to expand the menu to reveal all the options. Once you're inside My Folders, you'll see a list of folders and files that belong to you. At the top of this area, or sometimes along the right side depending on your layout, you'll notice a button or tab labeled Manage. This is where Zoho groups different management and organization tools for your folders. Click on Manage. When you do this, a panel or menu will open, showing you several management options related to your files and folders. One of the items you should see within this section is something called Shared Files. The name might appear slightly differently depending on your interface, but it will clearly reference shared files. Now click on Shared Files. This is the key step. As soon as you select it, Zoho WorkDrive will display all the files that have been shared with you. This can include documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or other file types that teammates or collaborators have given you access to. From this view, you can open any shared file by clicking on it, just as you would with a normal file. You can also sort or filter the list if those options are available, which is especially helpful if you work on a lot of projects and receive many shared documents. Remember, coming back to this shared files area is one of the fastest ways to find shared content, instead of searching folder by folder, and that's all you need to do to find shared files in Zoho WorkDrive. Go to My Folders, open the Manage section, and then select Shared Files.